How to withdraw money from your MyBambu account on your browser or on online or offline both methods. Firstly, this is the offline or online website for MyBambu account. What you have to do is simply check my international transfer account, or you can log into your account using your user ID and then your password. To withdraw funds, there is a lot of methods you can do is money transfer, top-ups, direct deposit, and the MyBambu card. I will tell you the only two main step and the best step how you can transfer your amount is the first one is bank or money transfer. You can use the money transfer feature available on their net banking or official website like this. You can create your account or you can log into your existing account to do a money transfer. You can transfer money to about all 18 countries available here and you can see the cash backup location or the money transfer location to in 35 minutes you will get your transfer done. Now the second step is you can use your MyBambu debit card to withdraw the money and then you can transfer or pay through the cash. Thank you so much for watching this.